Okay, we are now going live. We are now going to be trading at Pocket Option. I will just make sure that everything is in order. We will start trading around in 3 minutes, so just sit comfortable till then and we'll get started. I will now just go in and find some information and post it to groups so we get some more people in. We are now live trading binary options at Pocket Option. That's it. There. 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 Posting in every group I know I have some activity. And let's post in Twitter also. There. Then I think we have it. We will start in 2 minutes because that's the time that we have set. So anyone that come in, make sure you tell me where you're from, if it's the first time you're here, and all this good stuff. Now let's see. We will start in 1 minute. We can see one of our old lines here is holding up quite good. So let's move it there. That will be the first place we trade for today. Gives 88%. That is quite decent. So we are now live, starting to trade. Think we'll be trading depending on how many people that come in. In our Pocket Option live session yesterday, we did not get so many people. So depending on how many we get in now, depends on how long time we're going to trade today. So the line we're waiting for here now is the green one you see in the bottom here. Also, if you see this as a recording, you find the link below the video. I'm giving away a super account for Pocket Option. Basically, I give you 60% back of my affiliate income. So make sure you sign up with the link below the video if you see as a recording. If you're coming in from live now, you find it in the chat. Our trading area we have put right now is the green line you see that in the bottom here now. We can make it a thicker line so we see it a little better. So there, that's the place we're going to trade. And I see we now have at least 2 people live. Tell me in the chat where you're from, if it's the first time you're here. Do you have a Pocket Option account from before? Have you taken advantage of my super account for Pocket Option? Write in the chat. I will be live depending on how many people we get into this session. If you can get up around 10, I will be, that is for my channel, that is decent. But if it be around 2, 3, 4, 5, I do not think I will take a long session. Then I will need to think about another time to do 2 live sessions. The first live session, typically we get 10, 11 people live. I did a live session yesterday with Pocket Option and was more like this. Okay, we are 3, good, it's going better. So our trading area now, we are trading Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. We are going to take buy trades down on this green line. It's paying 85, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Make sure you like this video, because depending on how many people we get live, longer I will do a session. And also, I like to have some activity in the chat. I have an extra screen here now, so I can see every question. So you can happily to reply anything you ask in the chat. That, of course, within the theme of pocket option and binary option in general. Otherwise, you are free to chat in between each other also. Right now, we can see we are forming something in the top here that is a little interesting. I will now start to consider to take sell trades around up there. Let's make it the thickest line. I will consider to take sell trades on this red line. Now let's see, I'm ready. If you come up. No questions yet? Make sure you write in the chat. I like to have some activity too in this session. At least tell me where you're from. So I will probably take a sell trade if I can get a good entry in the red line. I was so slow on the trick in there. There, they take a sell trade there. Not the best entry, but good enough. I will see in 50 seconds if we win this trade. I think I will move it a little more up there. Looks like you want to break up. That means we will lose the first trade of the day. Let's zoom out. We do have a region here also. That could be interesting. There, we got some fuel. We take trade there. If we break that one, we will move on to another pair. Looks like he's doing. Let's move on. We had a bad trading session at IQ Sense today. Let's not have a bad one here also. We take one here. Now let's see. So we We are down $200 till now. Not the best start. Let's see. I would love to get a trade on this green line down here. For now we are just 2 people live. Now it's just 1. Don't looks like people have so much interest in pocket option. Let's take a 200 if you come down there. I think I take a trade up there also, and we have one down there. We will make an extra line down there. Now let's see. This one will make it a beautiful red color. That's it. That's our plan for now at least. And we'll see how this turns out. I'm in there with a $200 up trade. Do we have something more back over there? Let me see. I think we can take a trade down there also. If we come down there again, that is. We have our slow start here now. Are we really going to lose this trade? No, well, let's see. We need to wait more 8 seconds. Looks like we're going to win this 200 trade. We won that one. Cool. Let's change this for $100. Now if you come up to this red line, we are going to take a sell trade. Now based on what we see here now, it will take trade around there. So our trading zone looks like this right now. Okay, now he's really moving fast here. Now we need better than this. We need to come down to the green for me to even think about. There we're in. Not the first entry. Take one more there. Now let's see how this plays out. Let me see to the left here now. I think this should be okay. It's really moving strong. Let's take a $200 trade down there. That's you got a little bad entry there, but let's see. Now we need to wait 20 something seconds for the first to close. Let's see. They are fighting here now. Let's see. I need to check in closer trades how this did play out. And there, let's see. So we lost 100 there. Then we gained 83 there. we gained 166 there. So we are up for the day 133. Now I will move my green line down there. It's a new trading area down there. Let's turn this back to 100. I'd go in with 200 at a time. You get it's not a martingale, it's just that when we get better entries I go in one more time. And let's see now if I can come down to this region again. I will take a up trade. Let's see. Now, yeah, our trading is now at the green line. If you have not done so yet, make sure you take advantage of my super account. If you have account with pocket option from before, make sure you use the link you find below the video or the one you find in the chat. There basically I give 60% of my affiliate income back to you. So you get in form of cashback. So makes sense to withdraw your money and open a new account. And I still will get a small percent left for myself. I give most of my affiliate income back to you, but I will still keep 40% for myself. So I still will gain something. I do not gain on your losses, I do not gain on your wins, I only gain of each trade you take. And the same will you do with your 60% also. So now let's see. We are now looking to see if we can get in some trades here now. We will take trades on the green line in the bottom. Now let's see. So we are currently up $133 in this session. We are trading Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Now let's see. If we can just come down again. Seems like pocket option is not as popular as IQ Cents. In my IQ Cents sessions I typically have much more people live. And it's just 1 hour different in live sessions, so maybe I will start to have my live session for pocket option a completely different time. Maybe they are too close to each other. That might be it. I think maybe I need to take it take this session here much later in the day, so we get some distance in between, because I guess most of the session people I have live in IQ Cents is my lawyer followers. So I think maybe it's too much for them to sit and see me for 2 hours. So if I do one later in the day, I probably will be better. So I will look into that for tomorrow, to figure out the time I can have my second session. We will now, by the way, take a trade if we come down to this green line. Let's see. Our profit till now, like I said, is 133. Let's see if we can surpass $200. We will do that if we get one more win. So I will only take a trade if we come down to this support we have down here. The support I have put at 0.8968. We do have a quite strong line here also. I could probably take a trade, but I will not do it. Ah, good Arena 2. I'm in there. I would say that's a quite good entry, as long as he chooses not to go more down. If he keep this as a strong support, we should win that one. That would bring us up to over $200 in profit. Now let's see. Looks like the line is holding our support line down here. We need still to wait more 30 seconds. But yes, looks like we're going to win this trade. The entry was amazing. I'm very happy with the entry I got. So I think will be good this. And more 16 seconds. But yes, don't go down again, please. Stay away. Stay away. 5. Oh, we are so close. And we won. Perfect. Then we are up at $214. You can see on the closer trades we are doing quite good now. So as there are so low activity at the live session, I would rather do a later session for tomorrow. I would happily do 1 hour, but as we are just 3 people, it's a little boring for me to do now. I think I need to figure out another time to do my live sessions for Pocket Option. I think I will take it much later in the day for me, because I do 1 live session in the morning, that is 1 hour. That one had quite good activity, but this one I see we are just 3 people. So tomorrow I will take a live session for Pocket Option much later in the day. I will figure out the time to do it. So, but thank you all that are here now. We did make a profit of $214. I will be back trading at Pocket Option again tomorrow. I will keep it to 1 hour tomorrow, as long as we keep the live people around 4 or 5. And thank you, Kyle, to be a loyal follower. I see that you are in most of my live sessions, so thank you very much for that. Then I see you all tomorrow later for Pocket Option, and for IQ Sense I will do the one in morning as always. So that, have an amazing day, and I see you tomorrow.